Philip, automation is playing a key role in UK manufacturers currently. What are you showing here from Hainbuch?
Here we're showing how to integrate our intelligent clamping chuck into automation. The intelligent clamping chuck is measuring different values of the process. For example, here we are measuring the workpiece diameter. The robot is inserting workpieces into our clamping chuck. The clamping chuck is measuring the diameter, and if the diameter is correct, we can start machining. But if we have a false part with the wrong diameter, you can throw away the part or over machine it or correct it, however, and that's perfect for automation.
You're also changing the collets here as well, aren't you?
Yeah, right. Because we have two kinds of workpieces here, and each workpiece has to have the right clamping head inside of the clamping chuck. So we have to switch it. The robot is gripping the clamping head. It's exchanging it, removing it, inserting the right one, and then inserting the workpiece.
Are you selling much of this sort of solution in Germany at the moment, currently?
Currently not. We are just wanted to show how the intelligent clamping chuck fits for automation, and show our customers that it is possible to automate the whole clamping process, including the exchange of the clamping heads.
I can see it becoming more and more popular as a result of people trying to get rid of man intervention and do everything automatically. Would you agree?
Yeah, absolutely. And a complete solution without the workers changing heads or anything wouldn't be possible without automation like that.
And the hardware and the software is all Hainbuch's, is it?
It is, right. Completely from Hainbuch.